we had a doctor who was, my lord, registered in our hospital. He, my lord, could not come on that day because he had some issues with the hospital. So, my lord, we had requisitioned the services of another doctor who is registered in another hospital.
ಓ ಎನಿವೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
My lord,
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿವರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ?
ಹೌದು. My lord, no, 3 were two were successful. One, my lord, in any
Complications.
Yes, complications are there.
ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್?
Please
So
come.
I was asked not to come to the hospital.
My lord, in fact, he has signed.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕಾ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅವರು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ?
Contractual disputes.
If it has been done by anybody else who is not registered anywhere else, then it would have been a circumstance different on the hospital. Now who else has complained?
ಇನ್ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
Your complaint ಆಯ್ತು.
My lord,
Thought ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ the relatives of the deceased has complained ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. I never knew the doctor has complained. Sir, you should do doctoring, sir. What is all this?